back to WiscoTrains and welcome to WiscoTrains Railfan Adventures. As quickly as this video opened up, was as quick as I was met with GTW 5851 and GP38-2 leading L595A1 across Ellers Road in the village of Fox Crossing at the beginning of my afternoon railfan. Today, in the inaugural edition of WiscoTrains Railfanning, we'll see 4 scenes caught on a typical weekday afternoon on the Canadian National's Neenah subdivision. Next, we caught train L53181 working on the south end of the CN's Neenah yard. Here we saw a wide cab Jeep shoving 5 covered hoppers under Cecil Street Bridge towards 5K fibers. Per RailroadFan.com, L53181 is the Neenah Dixie Switcher, the name of the 2 sidings in the Neenah area. We watched at Harrison Street as it parallels the CN main and the Neenah yard on the south side of the city of Neenah, and is a great place to railfan with street parking and ample open spaces to view the CN's operations. For out-of-towners wondering, Harrison Street can be easily accessed by the Bell Street exit on I-41. Classic CN wide cab Jeeps are quite a common sight on the CN's Neenah sub on both yard switchers and local freights. CN 9452 was built in February 1975 as a GP40-2LW and continues to soldier on almost 50 years later. I'm not sure when, but it appears 9452 has fairly new paint, or was possibly recently washed, as it looked pretty good in the sunlight on this 60-degree March day. After watching CN 9452 switch, we moved on to Dauphin Park in the town of Dale, another great place to railfan along the Neenah sub. The Neenah sub's Sioux-line heritage is on display here with a beautiful marble bench at the Highway 96 entrance to the park featuring a Sioux-line Jeep and caboose. Soon we were greeted by a southbound manifest freight screaming at speed across Highway 96. Leading the manifest elephant style were CN 2923 and CN 2830, a pair of ES44 ACs. One of the reasons Dauphin Park is such a great place to railfan is the fact that the sunlight is always to your back, it's fairly quiet, and a walking path parallels the track, allowing for easy viewing. Also, there's a playground, so if you're like me and railfan with young kids, there's some entertainment for them in between trains. Also, just to the northwest across Highway 96 is Anton Siding, which allows for catching meets. Third ES44 AC CN 2908 served as this train's distributed power unit, or DPU, a common sight on trains on the Neenah sub. Dauphin Park is situated just to the southwest of the intersection of Highway 96 and County Trumpet, also known as Depot Street, in the heart of the census-designated place of Dale, the same name as the town is located in. Other than the sound of CN trains rushing through, not much breaks the country quietness of this small, unincorporated community. About half an hour later, we saw a yellow light at South Anton indicating what I thought would be a northbound train headed to the siding for me. However, after listening to YouTubers TJH's CN and Foxy Railroad radio stream, I heard it was just to divert the northbound off the main and into the siding at a restricted speed of 25 miles per hour while work was being done on the main. Link for the stream is in the description down below. Much to my surprise, the northbound train turned out to be two ES44ACs running engine light, CN numbers 2867 and 2841. This is the first time I've ever seen that in Dale. And with that train, we head home for the day. The Neenah sub always provides a decent amount of trains to watch, with many great locations to watch from. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'd like to thank all of you for subscribing and getting me to 100 subscribers. I'm surprised we've gotten there in just 2 months. Also, I'd like to thank those who watched my last video on 48 top-notch track plans, as that has gotten to almost 1,500 views as of me writing this. That was made on a whim of an idea I had, and I'm happy to see it was popular. I guess we'll have to make some similar videos. On that note, I've decided I'll be posting 2 updates about my modern Green Bay and Western layout a month, with model railroad book reviews, WiscoTrains railfanning, and other one-off videos in the interceding weeks. If you'd like to see those other videos, please like and subscribe and check out the in-stream videos. Thanks for watching and subscribing.